In this video, we will see problem related to the superconductors. Mainly, we will solve the problem related to the London penetration depth. So, what is London penetration depth? In superconductors, the distance through which a magnetic field that can penetrate into a superconductor is called the penetration depth or London penetration depth. So, now we will see what is the problem statement for lead Pb, right? So lead is Pb. The critical temperature Tc is equal to 7.2 Kelvin. Calculate the ratio of penetration depth at 3 Kelvin to that at 0 Kelvin. This is the problem statement. So what they have given is they have given the critical temperature Tc of lead, which is 7.2 Kelvin. They are asking us to calculate the ratio of penetration depth at 3 Kelvin to 0 Kelvin. So we know that relation between the London penetration depth lambda of and then temperature. That is lambda of T is equal to lambda naught divided by root of 1 minus T by Tc power 4. Here lambda of T is the penetration depth for a given temperature and lambda naught is the penetration depth or London penetration depth at temperature 0 Kelvin. T is the sample temperature and Tc is the critical temperature of the given element. Now we substitute the 3 in this above equation. So lambda of 3 is equal to lambda naught divided by root of 1 minus T. We know T is 3 Kelvin. So 3 by critical temperature Tc is 7.2 Kelvin. So 7.2 power 4. Similarly, we will substitute the temperature 0 Kelvin. So in this equation, therefore lambda of 0 is equal to lambda naught divided by root of 1 minus T. Temperature of the experiment is 0 Kelvin and Tc is 7.2 Kelvin. Therefore power 4. So basically we want the ratio of penetration depth at 3 Kelvin to 0 Kelvin. Therefore we need to divided lambda of 3 by lambda of 0. So you just divided lambda of 3 with lambda of 0, we will get this relation. So that is lambda 3 divided by lambda 0 is equal to lambda naught divided by root of 1 minus 3 by 7.2 power 4 into 1 by lambda naught. So now lambda of 3 divided by lambda of 0 is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus 0.0301. So again 1 by this will be converted into 1 by root of 1 minus 0.0301 will be 0.970. So again this 1 by root of 0.970 will be 0.98488. Therefore the ratio of penetration depth at 3 Kelvin to 0 Kelvin will be 1.0153. So therefore lambda of 3 divided by lambda of 0 will be equal to 1.0153. This is the ratio of London penetration depth at 3 Kelvin to 0 Kelvin in the case of lead, with this, which is having the critical temperature of 7.2 Kelvin.